Can you believe if I tell you that I found a hack on how to get 10x more views on your uploads before 2025? Yes, it's true. And not only that, I will show you exactly how to do it really quick. Buckle up and stay till the end, because I will also tell you how I got from 6 impressions to over 35,000 impressions in less than 28 days. But that's for the end of the video. For now, let me explain you this hack that I just found. So I'm in my phone right now. I'm gonna show you real quick. You have to go to the YT Studio, the YouTube Studio app. It's right here. In case you don't have it, I suggest you to come down here, go to Play Store, and then you look on the top, you search YouTube Studio over here, okay, and then you're gonna see it over here, YouTube Studio. So in my case, it's already installed. You can install it from there. If you don't have it, if you have it, click on open, and this is gonna bring you to your YouTube Studio. But before you press the plus on the top, this is what we're gonna do. This is the part that people don't tell you what to do. People, they go ahead and they start uploading, they press the plus button and they start uploading right away, but that's wrong. This is what you need to do. First, you go to your gallery where you have your video. In my case, I want to upload this video over here that I just finished recording in my car. So what you're gonna do is, you see the little eye over here, you have the heart, you have the little pencil, then you have the eye. Press on the eye, and then it's gonna say edit. Once you press edit, you're gonna be able to edit the information, which is the file name. You see this 2024 11 15 underscore 084121. This is the name of the file, and this is important because this will help the algorithm know that the file you uploaded contains the keywords that you wanna rank on YouTube. So this is extremely important. So that's what you're gonna do. In my case, I'm gonna change it over here. Hold on. I'm gonna just delete this. Let me make sure that I also delete also the one. Okay. All right. So I'm deleting this, and now I'm gonna type the title that I want for this video, and I'm gonna call it 30 hold on dash. Bear with me, this is really important, so it might take a little while because I'm on my phone and I have to type all the title that I want. In my case, this is what's gonna be the title of my video: 30-day YouTube challenge. And let me find the colon. Hold on a second, it's not here. Oh, for some reason the colon, I can't see. Okay, I'm not gonna put the column. I think you can't put a column when you put in my name because it's a character that's not accepted. So I'll do it like that. 30-day YouTube challenge I'm gonna put here my quest to 1,000 subscribers. So whatever the title is. Okay, I got more than 5,000. I'm just gonna remove the 2. He's saying that I had more than 50 characters. Okay, so I already have now the name of the file inside. The date is good, and you can put a location if you want. If you want to put the city, the country, whatever you want. In my case, I'm just gonna put the name, and I'm gonna click on save. There you go. So as you can see, you have the date, November 15 2024, 8. This is 8 in the morning 51 that I did the video. And now you have the title, 30-day YouTube challenge, my quest to 1000 subscribers. You can see .mp4. That's gonna be the title of my video. So that's how you do it. So that's before you even upload the video to YouTube. So now we can go safely to the Studio app as you usually do it. You click the plus button and then you select the video. So now what's gonna happen is that YouTube will know that the title it's included on the file name. So that's gonna improve your views like crazy. So now I'm gonna put here the same. I'm gonna repeat my title on the title right here, YouTube challenge. And this video is about me finishing my challenge of being 30 days on YouTube, and I was able to upload daily consistently. Now here I can put the column because it allows me. On the file I couldn't, so here you could. And I'm gonna put here my quest to 1000 subscribers. And now I have subscribers, and now I have two great keywords. I have YouTube challenge, that's a keyword, and then I also have 1000 subscribers as a keyword. So now I'll be able to rank in two different keywords. But don't upload it yet. What you're gonna do then, you're gonna add the description, and the description you should be using Vidiq to do that. But I'm gonna just put or actually what you can do is you can upload the video, and then you can, in my case what I do is I'm gonna upload this video. I'm gonna put the visibility, I'm gonna put it unlisted, so I'm sure it's not there yet, and I'm gonna put a schedule also, so like that I'm sure that it's not gonna come right away. It's gonna give me the time to go. I'm gonna put it for later on today, Friday, and I'll put it for 6 p.m. I'll put it for 6 p.m. today. All right, so it's already set. So now it's on schedule. So now you can go ahead and you can press upload. There you have it. And then we're gonna go and fix the description, the tags, and everything else. I do it on directly from my computer or my laptop because it's a lot easier. I'm just gonna copy the description that the app Vidiq gave me, and I'm gonna copy all the tags as well. It's gonna be a breeze to download this video. So also one other thing that I wanted to tell you, I actually did a long version of how I go and I upload properly. This is a quick version. I just wanted to jump in here just to give you an idea. It's actually over here. You can see this video, uploading, how to upload YouTube videos to get 1000 subscribers by Christmas. It's a 43-minute video where I go step by step by step. I break down every single thing, the end cards, how to add cards in the middle of your video to make the algorithm love you, because then it's gonna link one video to another video, and all the tips and tricks of what to do, what to set on the default as well, and many other things. So 43 minutes, it's full of value for you guys. This video is coming on November 18. It's already scheduled, and because I'm using Vidiq and because I'm doing all this properly, now I'm able to schedule my videos for 2-3 days in advance. Today we are the 15th, so as you can see, I already have for the next 3 days my videos are already scheduled, and I already have another 2 already almost ready to go that I'm gonna be scheduling for next week. So this will improve the way you upload videos, the way you rank your videos, and that's gonna improve your views. It's gonna allow you to get to your monetization goal. So I really recommend that you watch this video. If you're not yet a member, please go ahead and join. It's totally free. It will give us a lot to us as a small YouTuber. So if you can go ahead and subscribe and like my video, I would really appreciate. Until next time, stay blessed. This is Hustle Money. See you next time. Go ahead and watch my next video.